Welcome back students. In my new tutorial based upon documentation in OpenOffice covering the IT skill course 402. So my today's topic is implement mail merge. So advanced concept of mail merge in word processing. Firstly we should know what is mail merge. A mail merge is a way to take a letter you have written and send it to a whole bunch of people, personalizing it with information about them so they might think that you typed that letter personally for them. So mail merge is an option you, in simple words I could say, it is an option in which you will send the personalized letters to particular bunch of people. Example I could show you. For example, I want to invite some of my friends. So in my first letter, I want to type Dear Ram. That means I am sending this letter, personalized letter to Ram. Rest of the matter is same. I want to invite you on my birthday party at 5 p.m. Regards ABC. So rest of the matter is same. Only change is that Dear Ram. So when this person receives the letter, he will think that this is a personalized letter specially typed for him. Now another example. In this another example, the matter is same, but this is been personalized to Sundar. That means the second person. One more example. Dear Ritu. The only changes what I have made is that the personalized letter is being sent to three different persons, Ram, Sundar and Ritu. Rest of the matter is same. So mail merge means to merge the data source with the main document. The main document means the text which remains the same for all the recipients. Recipients means the person to whom we are sending the personalized letters. Now the documents, as I have told, there are two type of documents we are using it here. We used to call it as a main document. The main document means the simple letter and data source. Now I have given you the example of main document. Here names are not written, only the matter which is to be written or typed for each and every person. It can be 100, 200, 300, or if we are sending a letter to all the students or workers in a company, so this matter will be same for each and everyone. The data source on the other hand means the names to whom we have to send the personalized letters. Here I have given the example as Ram, Sham, Mohini, Akshara, Ritu, Mohan. It could be in 100 also, it could be in 200 also. So depends upon the size of the person to whom we have to send the letters. So mail merge means merging of two kind of documents. The main document, as I have told you, and the data source. So in data source, not only these names are written, this I have only given for example. It can be along with the names, mobile number can be there, the address can be there, and some other particulars which you want to add in data source, all can be added. So now directly I'll take you to the process that how can we use mail merge in OpenOffice. After the brief explanation of mail merge, now practically I'll explain you how to merge the main document and non-document. Firstly, just to save the time, I'll paste the main document. Now main document is the matter which I have to write for each person to whom I want to send the personalized letters. So this is the main document. This will be same for each and every person. Now to start the process, I'll go to tools. Under tools you will see mail merge wizard. Yes, so I'll use this. So in mail merge wizard you will see, firstly the first step is select starting document. So first option which has been selected, use the current document. This means the document which I am using here, I have to use this one. The second option is create a new document. That means now I want to create a new document. I don't want to use this, but I want to use a new document. Start from existing document means if I click upon this, so if I have made the main document somewhere else and I've saved, so I can click on browse and open that document. And the last option, start from a template. This means to make a letter from the template I have made you understand earlier also. So just now I'll click upon use the current document only, then I'll click upon next. So this is the first step. After this, select document type. So here are the two options, letter and email message. So send letters to a group of recipients. Recipients means the persons to whom we are sending the personalized letters. So we will be selecting letter here. If we'll select email messages, that means we want to send the personalized email messages to different persons. So just now we'll be selecting letter only, then we'll click on next. Now here the third option, insert address block, because first time you are making, so you have to make the address block also to whom you have to send the letters. So you have to select here, select different address list from here. So I'll click here, select different address list. Now here when you will be making this, everything will be empty in your case. So here you will click upon create to make a new address. That means the data source. So I'll click upon create, and as a result you will see this kind of dialog box in front. And here you will find different name titles, like title, first name, last name, company name. So many titles are there, or title names are there for each record. Actually the record is a collection of different pieces of information. So each one is having separate title. So although the first field is having the field name as title, second one is having first name, last name, but I don't need all. It depends upon my need, what I want. So what can I do here? I can click upon customize, and after clicking on customize, I'll show you. Here is the customize option. I'll click upon customize. Now here whatever I need, I'll just take that fields only. So firstly, suppose title I need, it's okay. Last name I don't need, so I'll click upon delete. Then company name I don't need. From this both address, I'll just select the first one, I'll just select delete. City I'll take, then rest all things I don't need. Okay, telephone I'll take one. So I have just taken the 4 fields, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. Overall I have taken 5 fields, and I'll click upon OK. And as you will see here, this new address list is been updated, and from here it will show only that field which I have selected. So now I have to enter the records. So after filing all the things here, that means title, first name, address, so that means it is a one record. One record will contain the overall list of information based upon single person. So suppose in title I want to write Mr. First name suppose AAA, address I want to write here, and AA line, city suppose Kalka, and telephone just any fictitious numbers. Then afterwards I want to add one new record, so I'll click upon new. Again suppose I'm writing here MS. So now I have added 4 records. I'll click upon OK. After this, it will ask me to save the file, and saving the file means open office address list. The name it is giving open office address list .csv. So I have to save the file, and I am giving the name as birthday list. Yes, one thing more I want to tell you, and it's very important. When you are giving the name, okay, when you are giving the name, don't give any space in between like this. Okay, so like suppose I want to give the birthday list name, I don't want any space, otherwise some problem comes in open office. So I'll click upon save, and as you click upon save, you will find here the birthday list on the top. After selecting this birthday list, I'll click upon OK. After selecting OK, you are here in the third step, insert address block. Now in this address block, if you will see, this document shall contain an address block. So it is having some formats like first name, address line, city, but mine is not like this. I am having little changed one. You could see here it's not same. So what can I do? I can click upon new. I'll click upon new. Now nothing is there, but in the starting the title, I have also used the title, so I can click upon this one, drag title. You could see here Mr. is coming. Now in address elements, next I have taken first name, so I'll click upon first name and I'll click it down. So you could see here Mr. double A, triple A. So it should be up only, so I'll put it up. Yes, like this. Little space should be there in between. And after this, address line. So I'll just select this address line, and that I'll bring it down. And after this, if suppose I'm not sure that what fields I have taken, I can always open my documents where I've saved my data source. It is showing me here. So it is given as extension name ODB. I can click it. Although I have not taught you, but it will show you the table, that what are the fields we have selected. So from here I can select tables, and under tables you will see here birthday list. This I'll be explaining afterwards because this is the open office base and I'll be covering it afterwards. So just to show you the table, I'll just click here under tables, birthday list, and you will see here the field names what I have taken: title, first name, address line, city, then city and telephone private. So I'll click upon, yes, I am back here. So after I have taken 3 field names, that means title, first name, address, I want to take city and telephone. So city I'll take and telephone. So city I want to take it down, and telephone also I want to take it down. So I hope this step is clear, that we have to match the elements here, address elements. So I'll click upon OK here, and then click upon OK, and you could see here now it is matching. In preview it will show that it is matching. Then next step, no, the next step is create valuation. So in create valuation, when we want to give like dear Mrs., dear Mr. So just now I'm not taking this one, I'll just cover this afterwards in some other tutorial. So I'll unclick this. So I'll not select valuation here, I'll click upon next. Now here adjust layout. In adjust layout you could see here it is showing where the data source is to be placed. So accordingly we can place this from here, like address block option. Here already the position setting has been given. So from top, like suppose I want to make it down, or I want to make it up. On the top if I want to make it, so I'll take it up. It is showing me the preview, and then I can click upon next, and you could just see in the preview here also it's showing how it will appear. Afterwards you could see here edit document option. So I can click upon edit document if I want to edit it, any changes. So whatever changes I'll do, that will appear for all the personalized letters. So I'll click upon edit document. So here whatever I want to do, like this I want to make it in blue color. And this, okay, this is okay. Return to mail merge wizard. So everything will be changed, whatever I'll be doing. After doing the editing in the main document, I'll click upon next option. Now in this personalized document, here also I can do the editing. Now this is for the individual document. Suppose in this list one of my friend is very close to me and I want to call that friend little earlier, so I can click upon edit individual document. You can click here. So suppose it is showing me all the friends, and here I want to do little changes. I want to make it to 4 p.m. and this I want to change the color into red, suppose, and return to mail merge, and then afterwards I'll click upon next. Now here also different options are present. Save starting document, it means it will save here only the document which I was using. Here only it will show me the mail merge of all the documents. That means merging of both the documents, it will show here only. Here save merge documents, these options are there. Save merge documents, and in save merge documents, save as a single document means in a single document it will save all the letters, personalized letters, which afterwards I can cut and take the printout. Or save as individual documents, this means I have to select, suppose if I'm having like 6 documents, I want to print 1 to 2 documents individually, I can do that also. And then print merge document, suppose if the printer is there, I can select this option also, like print to PDF. If I'll click it, it will save it as a PDF file. So when I am asking you that just send me a merge document, you can use this also, print merge document, it will be saved as a PDF, this option. So in your exams, even these options can come. Write the steps of mail merge wizard. So all these steps can be asked. And then send merge document as email. So whatever your merge document is, if you want to send as an email, you can just select this setting. So just now I am selecting save starting document and then click upon save starting document. I'll click it. It will take little time and it wants to save it. So I'm saving it in document only, but just to save the time, I'll save it on desktop, giving it the name as birthday party. And I'll click upon save. So it's saved. I'll click upon finish. So you could see here the first person to whom I was wanting to call at 4 p.m. So it is showing the time as 4 p.m. If I'll going on the next letter, it is showing at 5 p.m. And even the color, you could see that red color. Here it is black only. Like this, every person will get the personalized letters. I hope this step is very much clear to you and you have understood to use mail merge option. Now taking the another example, again I want to show the mail merge but with some different options. So I'll click upon tools, mail merge wizard, and here the same way using the current document, letter, insert address block. So earlier we have made a new address list, but this time I'll be taking the same list what we have used earlier. So it was having different fields 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose from here I only want to take 1 2 2 fields and along with this city 3 fields I want to take. So in that case I'll add it. After adding this, I'll click upon more because I have to design it. Or you could see here already one address block has been designed. First name, address line 1, city, but this address line 1 I don't need. I want the name and city and title. Yes. So I'll click upon more. I'll make it to new title. Now it is coming. First name. Okay. I'll drag it a little this side and then city. So I hope this is clear. How can we design the field names according to our need from the particular table? I'll click upon OK. After OK, again I'll click upon OK. So it is showing me according to my need what I was wanting, and I click upon next. So just now as earlier, I'll just leave salutation. This is to put just dear or Mrs. like the example is been given for male and female. So just now I'll leave this. Click upon next. Then again designing the layout. I'll make it to upwards. Then clicking on next. Add a document. So if there is a need, I can edit the document. I can make it a little smaller, and where this on the top also there is one data source. You could see here on the top. Click upon this, and if you click upon this, you could see here it will show all the field names what we have used, but we are only using title, first name and city. what I could do here, after dear also I want to put this Mr. and the name. So I'll just select title and I'll drag it here, and first name I'll drag it here just to give the gap. I'll just close this data source, return to mail merge wizard, and then afterwards I'll click upon next. Personalized document, again if I want to edit I can edit, but I don't want to edit now. I click upon next. Now earlier I have clicked upon save starting document, save merge document. This time I am selecting save merge document, save as a single document, and then I'll give the name as, I'll just select desktop, and on desktop I'll save it as company letter. Save. So if I want to check it, I can just check it after going to desktop. I'll select here where is company letter. This is the company letter. I'll just open it. It will take a little time. Now you could see here the letter is been mail merged. Mr. AAA Kalka, and then from here also it's written dear Mr. AAA, you are requested to join. So all the personalized letters is been created. So once this is clear to you, earlier this I have told you, save starting document, save merge document also I made it clear. Print merge document, again you can save it as PDF, or if the printer is connected you can directly print. So rest I have already told you. So I'll click upon finish. So I hope all the process of merging the document is been clear to you. So I'll stop my tutorial here only. For any queries you can give the comment.